Greetings and welcome to Personal Budgeting for 2025. I just wanted to expand a little on the different budgeting rules. If you're really trying to get out of debt, maybe you need to consider sacrificing a little by cutting your wants down. Again, you will have to determine what your percentage rules would be. But to be more aggressive in paying down debt, maybe you should do something like a 50, 10, 40, and just for a short period of time to really start paying down your debt. And that will mean 50% will equal to your needs, 10% will equal to your wants, and 40% would be for your debt repayment and savings. Just something to consider. Not to be biased, but we do recommend our 2025 personal budget planner. So, are you ready to achieve financial success and take your power back? Well, you can do this with our 2025 personal budget planner. It is your ultimate tool for personal budgeting and is now available on Amazon. Unlike digital tools, this planner provides a hands on, distraction free approach to managing your money. Writing your budget by hand helps you to stay mindful, intentional, and focused on your financial goals. It's perfect for all situations. For families and couples, you sit down with your family or your significant other and visually map out your finances together. This planner helps foster open communication, mutual understanding, and teamwork as you track spending, plan for future goals, and make smarter financial decisions as a unit. And let's not forget our singles. This will empower you with a clear, organized view of your finances. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, this planner gives you the structure and clarity you need to stay in control. Why choose this planner? First, it's user friendly layout. Simplifies your monthly tracking with organized sections for income, expenses, savings, and more. Tangible and accessible. No apps, passwords, or batteries needed. Just grab your pen and go. Empowering design provides the tools you need to create a financial plan that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Now, whether you're working together as a couple, managing a family budget, or independently tackling your financial future, this planner is the key to clarity and success. Now, again, why should you choose this planner? The 2025 Personal Budget Planner is a comprehensive tool designed to help you master your finances throughout the year. It includes four different quarterly savings challenge trackers and monthly sections with calendars featuring inspirational quotes, expense logs, budget sheets, debt management tools, and space for monthly personal reflections and goal setting. Additionally, the planner provides tips for financial success, making it a practical and empowering resource for staying organized, tracking progress, achieving your financial goals, and taking back your power. So order your copy today on Amazon and start 2025 with a plan to succeed. Now, tips for successful budgeting. Be realistic. Set achievable goals based on your actual financial situation. Honesty comes first. You have to accept the good and the bad of your spending habits, okay? And have a real heart to heart with yourself. And make sure you're setting achievable goals so you won't be discouraged on this journey. Stay flexible. Again, be prepared to adjust your budget as life changes, because life does life and changes will come. Automate savings. Use automatic transfers to build savings effortlessly. And I will always recommend too that even if you have automatic transfers, try not to link your debit card to your savings account so that you won't be tempted to pull out for your wants. Now, if there's some need or something and you have to dip into the savings, that's explainable and that's understood. But if you're really trying to save, do not link your debit card, and also make every effort to make sure that savings account is in a bank that not easily accessible by you, where you could go in and start, making withdrawals. Mhm. Involve your family. Encourage family members to participate in budgeting discussions. Now, if you're single, that discussion has to be between you, yourself, and you. Okay? And sometimes you have to sit down and actually have that discussion with yourself because you want to be successful in this process. But stay motivated. Celebrate small financial victories to maintain enthusiasm, because that is key. You don't want it to be humdrum. You want to feel that you now have control over your finances. You now can create your financial future. You can be successful in whatever it is that you're putting your mind to in regards to your finances. And you can also make it a point to lessen your stress and your worries by gaining full control of your money, your budget. In conclusion, we know that personal budgeting is a powerful tool. It can help you achieve financial stability and meet your life goals. By understanding your income and expenses, setting realistic goals, and using modern tools, you can make informed financial decisions. So start today to build a secure financial future in 2025 and beyond. So get the budgeting.